Connected Places Catapult is the UK's innovation accelerator for cities, transport and places. We are working with key cross-industry partners to organise demonstrations as part of the Department for Transport funded Drone Pathfinder Catalyst programme. Drones are an effective tool for search and rescue, enabling much larger areas to be covered in a shorter period of time, which can mean the difference between life and death.
Drones provide an affordable aerial view of an incident scene or search area, which is a huge benefit to search managers and incident managers within the team. Drones being able to fly in inclement weather would be a huge benefit to our operation. It means we could benefit from the capability a drone provides us in adverse conditions that we often face. Currently, we have to keep our drone within visual line of sight of the pilot at all times. If we can find a safe way to operate beyond visual line of sight, that would be hugely useful to our operation. The priority at the moment is being able to get the drone in the air in the first place, and that means a drone that can operate in some adverse weather conditions. Once we can do that, the possibilities are endless in terms of different sensors we can put on the drone, and the potential for them to be a life-saving tool only increases with time and technology.
Sky Mantis has been designed specifically for the UK search and rescue and blue light markets. It's got class-leading flight time and class-leading all-weather capabilities. So 1 hour flight time and can fly in heavy rain like we've got today, but also fly in up to 75 km/h winds. We also have the ability to have a dynamic mission planning application, which enables search and rescue staff to quickly identify their search scene, plan the mission, and essentially save lives.
At the moment, if you were to search the ground behind me, for instance, it would take 15 to 20 people to search that and would take a good few hours to do it. As we've proved today, we could put a drone into the air and search that same ground in half the time.
There's been countless examples internationally and nationally where drones have been the difference between a missing person being found or not found.
To find out more about how Connected Places Catapult are helping to unlock the benefits of drone services, please get in touch.